Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Dari Home Service app review to save with what you're using. So to get started, Dari Home Service is an app that lets you book a range of home service from cleaning and laundry to pest control and car washing, all from your mobile phone. It's available in Saudi Arabia and the UAE, and it's designed to make booking quickly and convenient. The app lets you choose from the list of services, check pricing upfront, and pay safely online, making it a flexible way to find help when you need it. But it's not perfect. Some people say the service can be unreliable with late workers, cancellation, or poor communication. There are reports of hidden fees and occasional issues with the quality of the job. So while Dari can be a handy solution for busy people, it's a bit of a gamble. Sometimes you get great services and other times it falls short of expectation. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.